Good morning everybody. My name is Bhuvan Godani and I welcome you all to my class of Spoken English and Personality Development. So today I am going to teach you a very important topic, that is how to. Now look at the board. HOW, how, TO2. Though I am very sure you know the meaning of how. How means kaise. When you meet someone, so you say how are you and you get answer like I am fine and how are you and what about you. So how means kaise. But here I have put preposition to with how, so it becomes like kaise. Whenever you want to know someone कि वो व्यक्ति क्या उस काम को करना जानता है, then you have to say how to. Let's suppose as you all are students here, you are coming to learn English. I simply ask you a question, क्या बच्चों आपको अंग्रेजी बोलनी आती है? Then I would say, students, do you know how to speak in English? Students, do you know how to speak in English? So here how to means क्या आप जानते हैं अंग्रेजी कैसे बोलते हैं? If I want to know कि क्या आपको बाइक चलानी आती है, I would say, do you know how to ride a bike? If I want to know कि आपको खाना बनाना आता है, then I would say, do you know how to cook food? So how to can be used in each and every tense. Let me give you some example from present indefinite tense to all means till future perfect continuous tense, means with all the tenses. First, मैं खाना बनाना जानता हूँ. This sentence belongs to present indefinite tense. मैं खाना बनाना जानता हूँ. So therefore the English translation of this sentence will be I know how to cook food. Now in past tense, मैं खाना बनाना जानता था. I knew how to cook food. What is new here? New doesn't mean N-E-W new. No, it is K-N-E-W. K-N-E-W new. New means second form of no, K-N-O-W. So I knew how to cook food. मैं खाना बनाना सीखूंगा. I will learn how to cook food. I know how to cook food. I knew how to cook food. I will learn how to cook food. Now telling you examples of continuous tense. मैं खाना बनाना सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning how to cook food. मैं खाना बनाना सीख रहा था. I was learning how to cook food. मैं खाना बनाना सीख रहा हूँगा. I will be learning how to cook food. Now perfect tense. मैं खाना बनाना सीख चुका हूँ. I have learned how to cook food. मैं खाना बनाना सीख चुका था. I had learned how to cook food. And मैं खाना बनाना सीख चुका हूँ. In any point of time in future, I will have learned how to cook food. Now coming to the perfect continuous tense, last tense. मैं एक साल से खाना बनाना सीख रहा हूँ. I have been learning how to cook food for last 1 year. मैं एक साल से खाना बनाना सीख रहा था. I had been learning how to cook food for last 1 year. मैं एक साल से खाना बनाना सीख रहा हूँगा. I will have been learning how to cook food for 1 year. So like this we can use how to with each and every tense. Not only in affirmative sentences, you can use it in negative also and in interrogative too. Let's suppose if I have to ask you a question, then I will start with some helping verbs. Like, do you know how to cook food? In present tense. In past tense, did you know how to cook food? And in future tense, will you know how to cook food? Are you learning how to cook food? Were you learning how to cook food? Will you be learning how to cook food? Have you learned how to cook food? Had you learned how to cook food? And will you have learned how to cook food? And in present perfect continuous tense, have you been learning how to cook food for 1 year? Had you been learning how to cook food for 1 year? And will you have been learning how to cook food for 1 year? So like this you can make so many examples. Like what happens sometimes, let me give you some practical examples. It's a birthday of your friend and you have gone there. Your friend insists you on dancing, but you don't want to dance there because you feel shy or you hesitate. So you can say, sorry, I don't know how to dance. I don't know how to dance. Your parents instruct you to prepare tea or to prepare some food, but you don't feel like cooking at that moment. So you can make an excuse by saying that, sorry, I don't know how to prepare tea. Sorry, I don't know how to cook food. So whenever you are asked to do any work and you don't want to do that work or you do not know that work perfectly, so you can give this excuse that, sorry, I don't know how to do this work. Sorry, I don't know how to do this work. I don't know how to swim. I don't know how to drive a car. I don't know how to swim actually. I don't know how to write. I don't know how to read. I don't know how to wish people. I don't know what to say when someone's birthday is there. I don't know how to wish him. I don't know actually how to start. So there are so many questions. One more example, like you all have done your 12th. So after 12th we all get into a dilemma that now what to do, what not to do. So you can say after passing 12th I did not know what to do. I did not know what to do. Here in place of how to, I am saying what to. It means like क्या करना है. How to means कैसे करना है. So after passing my 12th, I did not know what to do, and I did not know how to take admission in college. I did not know how to fill a form. I brought a form from the college, and I requested my father to help me to fill the form. So this was my condition earlier. But after joining this center, after taking classes and having the company of you all great people, I have improved myself a lot. So like this, you can make your points and you can make your sentences. whenever you are asked to share your experiences anywhere on any platform and you are sharing something कि पहले मैं ये जानता था या नहीं जानता था और मैंने इस चीज को ऐसे सीखा है, then these words are very useful, very instrumental to form your sentence in a complete way. So I hope you understood the use of how to. So how to means कैसे. Now let me ask you some points. अजय, मुझे खाना बनाना आता है.
I have how to.
No, I know how to cook food.
I have.
Don't say have. I know how to cook food. मैं ममता, मैं अंग्रेजी बोलना सीख रही हूँ. नहीं, सीख रही हूँ. I am learning how to speak English. I am learning how to speak English. मुझे कार चलाना आता है. नितिन,
I know how to drive a car.
अजय, मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना नहीं आता था.
I didn't know how to speak English.
I did not know
How to speak English.
how to speak English. क्या आपको खाना बनाना आता है?
Do you know how to make it?
How to make food. How to make food. मैं कार चलाना सीख रहा हूँ. I am learning how to drive a car. So how to means कि इस काम को कैसे किया जाता है. Whenever your sense is like that, you can use this word. So thank you very much. See you next video.